Clearview AI, a controversial surveillance tech company, settled a nearly 2-year-old lawsuit with the American Civil Liberties Union and other activist groups in Illinois who allege the company had violated a state privacy law known as the Biometric Information Privacy Act. Under the terms of the agreement announced on Monday, Clearview AI is no longer allowed to sell access to its vast faceprint database to private businesses and other entities anywhere in the country, outside of a few key exceptions. Additionally, the company is now barred from contracting with any government or law enforcement agency within Illinois for 5 years. Clearview also agreed that it will no longer offer free trial accounts to individual police officers without the explicit approval by their employer agencies. This sends a very strong signal to companies that they ignore privacy laws at their own peril. The break it first and figure out the rules later path that Clearview started is not tenable, said Nathan Fried-Wessler, an ACLU lawyer who led the team of plaintiffs in the case. This, we hope, sends a signal to other states and they can and should follow Illinois' lead in passing clear biometric laws. In 2020, knowledge of the firm's practices spilled into the open when the New York Times broke the story of how this tiny company had amassed a giant trove of billions of them. Clearview then sold access to this archive to law enforcement and some private companies including Macy's and Walmart, a practice that it later halted. In late 2021, Clearview was telling investors that it was looking to hold 100 million facial images within a year, according to a February 2022 story in the Washington Post. Earlier this year, the company also signed a contract with the Air Force to develop augmented reality facial recognition glasses. For its part, Clearview AI says that this settlement won't change much for its future plans. Clearview AI is pleased to put this litigation behind it, wrote Floyd Abb. Clearview AI currently does not provide its services to law enforcement agencies in Illinois, even though it may lawfully do so. To avoid a protracted, costly and distracting legal dispute with the ACLU and others, Clearview AI has agreed to continue to not provide its services to law enforcement agencies in Illinois for a period of time.